I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer your balance from an old SIM on E, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your balance. Before starting the transfer, make sure you know the exact balance on your old SIM. You can do this by dialing a specific code or checking your account online. Step 2. Insert your new SIM. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Contact the e-customer service. Reach out to e-customer service either by calling or using the online chat feature. Explain that you want to transfer your balance from your old SIM to the new one. Step 4. Provide necessary information. When you connect with a representative, be ready to provide your old SIM number, new SIM number, and any other requested details. This helps them verify your account and process the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your new SIM to ensure the balance reflects correctly. If there are any delays, don't hesitate to follow up with customer service. I hope this guide helps you smoothly transfer your balance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.